To use AI to generate creative wallpapers for your home screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then select wallpaper and style. Next, tap change wallpaper. Scroll down the screen. Under creative section, tap the generative wallpaper thumbnail. Here at the top section, as you swipe the screen to the left, you can see some AI generative wallpapers with different themes that are ready to be used. When at the create something new section, you are given with 9 AI generative templates such as imaginary, net, painting, bloom, and else. You can choose the desired template to generate creative wallpapers. As the example, we will select night, tap night thumbnail. As the information, this AI-based feature works by converting your words into images. That's why here you are provided with a text editor of sort, which you can edit so you can generate many wallpaper with it. Now tap on the highlighted word to edit them, and then select the setting of your choice. Here you can just change one highlighted word or all of them. Once you are done selecting, tap generate button to let your phone uses the AI to generate some creative wallpapers based on your word you choose. Now tap set button on the wallpaper thumbnail. To set it only for your home screen, just check the radio button under the home screen thumbnail, and then tap next button. Here you will be provided with a preview of how the wallpaper will look like if it's applied to your home screen. You can swipe the screen to the left to preview another wallpaper generated based on your work. If you have found the one you like to use, tap done button. Now go to your home screen. You can see that the selected generative wallpaper has been set as your home screen wallpaper. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.